Namaste students. Today we will be learning about articles. Let's begin with examples. The man walked right past me. A giant spider crawled across the ceiling. An elephant is a large animal. The, a, and an are articles. Let us consider a and when to use it. A is used before a word that starts with a consonant. For example, a blue bird, a nice man, and a wonderful dinner. In the given examples, a is used in front of a consonant sound. Now let us consider an and when to use it. The article an is used in front of the words that begin with the sounds of vowel, that is a, e, I, o, u. For example, an apple, an egg, and an insect. In the given examples, egg, apple, and insect begin with the vowels. Now, many a times people confuse between vowels and consonants because they consider the initial letter of the word rather than the initial sound of it. For example, the word hour. Now, though the word starts with H, but the sound is hour, ow, and not hour. So we use the article an in front of hour, an hour, and not a hour. The word house also starts with the letter H, and the initial sound of the word is a consonant, that is h. So we use the article a in front of house, a house, or the house, but not an house. So basically, to determine whether to use the article a or an, we have to consider the initial sounds of the word rather than the letters. Another exception is of the words such as university and unicorn. Though the words university and unicorn begin with the letter U, the sound created by them are consonants, not vowels. Therefore, we use the article a in front of them. Now, here are some words, and you have to decide whether to use a or an in front of them. Unicorn, MBA, umbrella, motel, owl. The answers will be given at the end of this video. Now, let us consider the and when to use this article. The is called the definite article because it normally points out some particular person or thing. For example, he saw the doctor. That means a particular doctor. Now, when to use article the? The definite article the is used when we talk about a particular person or thing or something that we have already mentioned in our conversation. For example, the book you want is out of print. Let's go to the park. The girl cried. In these examples, the book, the park, and the girl are already known to the person that we are speaking to. The can be also used in front of some common nouns and proper nouns which are unique, which are one of their kinds. For example, the Vedas, the Puranas, the Ramayana, the sun, the sky, the ocean, the earth, etc. To sum up, articles are divided into two parts, indefinite and definite articles. Definite articles are referring to something specific. For example, I am looking for the boy with blue hair. And indefinite articles are not specific. For example, I am looking for a boy. Could be any boy. These are some basic concepts of articles. Please subscribe my channel for more grammar videos. Now the answers to the questions that were asked before. I hope all the concepts are cleared. Please stay tuned for more grammar videos. Thank you and all the best.